All right, this week we're looking at invoices. Now, before we actually get to calculating anything, let's talk about the terms of the invoice. This 3/7 means that you get a 3% discount if you pay within the first 7 days of the invoice. And the N/30 means that you have 30 days to pay the invoice. Now, for calculating, to figure out the price here, we're just going to do the £5 times 250, and this will give us $12.50. And then 5 times $1.75 is $8.75. 5 times $1.25, $6.25, $7.50, and $10 even. And we can add those up for a total of $45. So this invoice would be for $45 before any discounts or taxes are added. From here we can find our trade discount by taking that $45, timesing it by the 3%, which gives us $1.35. So we subtract that $1.35, giving us $43.65. So we're saving $1.35, paying $43.65. But then we need to pay the taxes. So $43.65 times 0.13 for 13% taxes, which rounds to $5.67. Add those two together and we get $49.32. And again, we're taking our new total, adding the taxes to get the final. All right, let's do another example. Here we have Zaxxu supplies. First, we need to figure out our prices. So if we take the 30 times the $8, we get 240. And we get 135, 250, and 1200. If we add those up, we get 1825. Our trade discount this time was 4%, so we take 4% of our 1825, which is $73, and we get 1752. Add our taxes, so 1752 times 0.13, which will be 227.76. Add that on, giving us 1979.76. Let's work through this example. 3 times 4 is $12. Then we get $40, $56, for a total of $108. We're going to find our taxes, which will just be the 108 times 0.13, which ends up being $14.04, for a total of $122.04. But now, the customer is making an early payment of $50, so a partial payment. What will the new balance be? Well, to calculate a partial payment, we look for the amount credited for his partial payment. So we take the $50 and we divide it by 1 minus 5%. It's 5% because that was the term of our invoice. So 50 divided by 0.95, which is 52.63. So even though you're only paying $50, you get a credit of 52.63 taking off. So we take our 122.04 and we minus the 52.63 for 69.41 for our new final bill. One last example here. This time we have an order for $1,800. The terms stated are 6, 7, and N30. If Frances made a payment of $750 when she placed the order, what is the new balance of our invoice? And we're just going to ignore taxes this time. So what we're going to find is that amount credited, which will be the $750 over 1 minus 0.06 for the 6% this time. This ends up being $797.87. So we take our 1,800, minus that $797.87 to get a new bill of $1,002.13.